I feel like the class provided so much knowledge. I mean, there's so many different things to know within the world of permaculture, and they gave us a taste of everything. We got to see so many different projects that are happening within this landscape, and to see people practicing permaculture not only here at Wild Abundance but on the larger, broader spread of this territory is pretty amazing.
I wanted to get a lot more hands-on experience with permaculture, practical hands-on experience. I'd taken a permaculture course before online, and it's very good material, very good information, but there's only so much you're going to be able to learn without your hands in the dirt.
I primarily came to bring my permaculture knowledge into how to implement it into a design. And I feel like I really got that out of this class.
I really loved all the tours. It's given me a lot of practical tools. I have been studying horticulture for the past 2 years, and I've taken some design courses. I really wanted to have a deeper understanding of how to design for the land and not just for ourselves.
What's been cultivated at Wild Abundance, communally, there's already this density of beautiful people that you'll be engaging with who are here. And these are these inviting arms that are already welcoming you in, and then the landscape at large is just beautiful.
I was surprised at how quickly we all came together. There's a lot of people from different backgrounds, and we all had a love for outdoors and for nature and for Mother Earth, and that was a connecting through line for every single person here.
Coming here, it really affirmed that people that are drawn to permaculture are very open-hearted and very curious, and it was really nice to be surrounded by people with similar interests.
It felt like a family. We were super blessed to come together, and I think the space that was created by the teachers really created a comfortable, aware, caring environment that we were able to access emotional relevance as we were learning about the ecosystem around us.
It was intense 11 days full of so much joy and connection and just nonstop learning. It feels like we have all been birthed back into the world.
The Wild Abundance class was an amazing opportunity for me to get the practical hands-on experience.
I feel inspired. It was a great experience. I would say just do it.